Welcome back to our daily Forex forecast. In this video, I'm going to discuss about what is the best pair to trade today. So today we have Swiss yen. We are going to trade on Swiss yen today, and I'm going to give you what is the best strategy, what is the best trading plan for today trading. Guys, before we go to chart, as usual, I'm Alex, your technical analyst from FundYourFX, and let's go straight to the chart. At the 4-hour chart, as usual, I will use 4-hour chart as my main major structure lookout or my main trend direction analysis. And right now the price already creates a bearish structure. Prior to that, the price action makes the bullish structure, but right now the price already changed from bullish to bearish structure. And by the way, if you are looking around here, the price already makes a valid change of character right here. This is the change of character. Okay, change of character. And here, after the change of character, you see the validation form as the break of structure. Let me copy this. Wait. Okay, this is the break of structure right here. The boss there, and right now the price seems to create a pullback, but the main question is, where is the stopping price? Where is the target for the pullback? Okay, let me delete this change of character and break of structure so it doesn't get block our view on the supply zone. The first supply zone came at around here, this one. Okay, this is the supply zone. Potential that the pullback is going to stop or reject at around this zone. Let me change the color. This one, it came at around 183.571 until 182.966. The second one, it came at around this price. This one is the fair value gap of the 4-hour chart. It's overlapping with our previous supply zone. This fair value gap is our second supply zone. If the price fails to create rejection at around the first supply zone, then our second supply zone is our next target, which is at around 184.196 until 183.546. Okay, then let's go to the lower time frame and see what happened there. On the lower time frame, we are not seeing that, we haven't seen any of trend alignment, or trend still makes the bullish structure right here. We want to make sure that if you want to really enter this trade on the Swiss yen, the price action should be look like this on the entry time frame or on the lower time frame. The price still makes a lower, the higher peak, then higher trough, higher peak, higher trough. Either the price make another higher peak, but after that we are going to see the price makes the lower trough. This as our change of character happen on the lower time frame, and then the pullbacks on the supply zone on the 30-minute time frame. It's your entry point. Make sure that the pullback itself have the valid rejection. Okay. The second one, the price still makes the higher peak, higher trough, and then the price failed to create the higher peak, but it created the lower peak. Then this is the sign that the price might be going to reverse to the bearish momentum on 30 minutes time frame or in your minor time frame. The change of character is the orange sign that the trend itself really going to reverse, and you want to make sure that the rejection, or the pullbacks, you have to enter around this pullback. Okay, so that's pretty much it. But for the stop loss you can aim around here, or the stop loss you can aim around the previous high around here, or maybe the price makes another high in the supply zone, our second supply zone on the first supply zone. But to plot your stop loss, you have to really put your stop loss in the previous high because it was the very setup for today. Okay, and I'm going to look for the potential target for our short position. Potential target, we can aim around here, this one. Before the rejection, the price makes a low and then the price jump very high, creating another high, creating another high. Then this one is very strong support, can be determined as the strong support. So okay, for the profit target, we can set it to 181.031. That's our potential profit target for the Swiss yen. So I think that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment in this video, and don't forget to follow our TikTok and Instagram so you can get notified if I made this kind of video. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye bye.